We are back again with another video. This is the third video in our challenge series. We're gonna do the third trick today, which is a little more of a trick. I feel like it's the first. It's still, no, I'm gonna be honest, I'm sorry, I don't wanna lie to you. I think it's still considered a pre-freestyle trick. However, it's more of a freestyle trick than landing or turning. And it is, you guessed it, flips. So let's get into it. Our first real freestyle trick. How many of you have ever wanted to do a backflip in real life? I know I have. I can't do it. I'm not that good, but it would still be fun. However, in FPV, it's a little easier and I can get it done. This is here as the third one because so many other tricks incorporate this trick. You'll see those videos of skiers and they have the GoPro on their chest and they do flips, or you're in the pool and you're trying to do a backflip. Man, it can be disorienting. It can be confusing because you don't know where you're landing. You don't know what's around you, and watching someone do a backflip or a front flip is a lot different than actually doing one, right? Maybe you're on the trampoline and you're doing a flip. It's more disorienting when you come out of it than just watching someone do it. And of course, the same is true for FPV. It can be very disorienting at first because you don't know what's going on. You don't know what you're looking at when you come out of it, especially if you don't quite know how long to hold that flip. What's challenging about doing a flip in FPV is not the actual flipping, all right? It's not getting the quad to rotate this way. That's not the hard part. What the hard part is stopping it exactly where you need to, is getting the rotation perfectly so you can keep flying and go wherever you need to go. Also, a quick side note, in order to do flips in FPV, you have to be in acro mode or full manual mode. You can't be in level mode, horizon mode, or whatever it's called. You have to be able to move the quad fully around. So if you're not in that, get there. When I first started learning FPV, I had a switch that could switch level mode on and off. So I would turn it off when I was flying, and then when I was coming in for landing, I would flip it on. I don't think that actually helped me learn to land. It gave me the confidence to do that, which is I have to battle, you know? Confidence is important. What makes FPV challenging, the flips, is finishing with the horizon level. And so for a flip to be considered smooth in my book, as I'm trying this, as I'm learning this and trying to get better, I want to be able to flip forward, backwards, side to side, and have the horizon level with the drone. Doing that consistently, doing that smoothly is when I'm going to consider this one mastered and this one done. I think what's important about this is also each quad is different. How the rates are different, how the weight of it is different, and the look of it, and the number of blades is going to be different. It's all going to matter. The range of your controller is going to affect how much roll you need to give it in order to make it level again. There's only two movements you need to do, or there's only one side of the controller that you have to focus on, and that's the pitch and the roll. All right, the pitch is up and down, and the roll is left to right. There are 3 steps to pitching, or not pitching. This is not baseball. There's 3 steps to flipping in FPV. One, and we'll just assume we're gonna do a front flip. We're gonna flip forward. We could do roll, I guess, but these principles all apply, okay? You're going to firmly pitch forward, all right? Give that oomph, right? Like you just exploded and you're gonna steal third base, right? Quickly pitch forward. And then just as fast as you pitch forward, pitch down and a little bit farther than the half point to stop it, to get it level, all right? To cancel the flip. Step 3, end with that horizon beautifully level. And that's it. That's all it takes. All right, so there you go. There's flips in FPV. The third trick mastered. 3 down, 61 to go. I should get percentages. I'm gonna put the percentage right here. All right, how far are we in this challenge? All right, flips mastered. I hope you have a good day. I hope it's all your dreams come true, and I hope you flip to the future for fun. Now it's time, my favorite part. Forget the flying. My favorite part is just drawing the end, okay? So, got my notebook here. We're gonna do this trick number 3. Trick number 3, let's get to drawing. Put on that music. We're gonna have the drone flipping 3 times, and that would be a flip. I like this. This is great. And you know what? Just for fun, we're gonna draw a pancake. 4 flipjacks. There we go. There we go. Trick number 3 done in the books. Flipping awesome. And I'm Team FPV. Stay soaring.